Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to send a payment request on PhonePe in 2025. If you're splitting bills, getting paid for freelance work, or just managing transactions with friends, this feature makes everything seamless and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the PhonePe app installed on your smartphone. It's always a good idea to update for the newest features and security enhancements. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your UPI PIN or biometric authentication. Now, on the home screen, look for the Payments or Requests section. It's usually front and center for easy access. Tap on it to proceed. Next, select the Send Payment Request option. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can enter the recipient's details. This could be their PhonePe username, mobile number, or UPI ID. Double-check to make sure it's correct to avoid any mix-ups. After that, input the amount you want to request. PhonePe allows you to add a short note, like, for dinner bill, or freelance payment, which helps the recipient understand the purpose right away. This makes the process more transparent and user-friendly. Once everything is filled out, review the details carefully. Take a second to ensure the amount, recipient, and note are accurate. Then, hit the Send button. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the recipient will receive the request instantly. And there you have it. You've just sent a payment request on PhonePe. In 2025, this tool is faster and more reliable than ever, with added features like instant alerts and easy tracking. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or reach out to PhonePe's support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.